this fall on She TV. She used to sell houses. Now, she hunts in them.
Let's catch some ghosts.
Join paranormal expert and licensed real estate broker Samantha Bell as she takes you to the dark side.
Ghosts are real, and some of them were women. I'd like to hear their stories. Wouldn't you?
Samantha Bell investigates the supernatural.
Did you hear that? Did you see that? Did you smell that?
The way only a woman can.
I've left you some chamomile.
The Spirit Seeker. Followed by all new episodes of Who Dressed You on She TV.
Wanted to give you a couple of dollars. Just take it. Just take the money, honey. Take it. Look, I don't even know how to put this through the computer, honey. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna fax it. I'm gonna fax you a couple of dollars. Okay.
Be a big slutty broke asshole. Shop at the 99 cent store.
Can we get a monster offering? Things people say to me. People say all kind of things to me. But mostly they just say, yeah! Oh yeah! Yeah! Take it, bitch! You whore! Yeah! You whore! Thank you.
I've had the most horrible gas. It's just unbelievable. I don't know how it lives in the same apartment with me, to be honest.
Hello, my name is Nancy Short, and I enjoy Fisherman's Friends. I thought I should say hello to you, is this character, because she might not be in show for so much longer. Okay, bye.
The Toontown Christmas Show.
It's all right, Toad. Oh! You frightened me. How do you do? If you please, my name is Dorothy. Ever since I went back to Kansas, it's been awful. So somebody suggested I go on J-date.
You have to take off your clothes. Okay.
Thank you.
I like your belt buckle. Is it too hard? Is it too hard?
Oh, that's
Okay.
great. That's,
Oh, good. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, better? It's more relaxed.
Yeah, it's more relaxing. That's great. Okay.
That's better. That's so much better.
So I'm supposed to get on my side or
No,
what?
you just that's good. Okay.
So you think you can dance.
Mary Murphy.
You know, that man from Actors Equestrian Association was right. Broadway's hard. I'm gonna be on Broadway December 20th. Oh!
Yeah, remember Ginger Spice? Well, she's out, right? And I'm in. So look out, Spice Girls. And don't give me any gruff scary, because I don't give a damn about you or your bleeding group. It's BJ Spice all the way, got it?
Bye!
All right.
My drinks!
Thirsty, though.
Thirsty!
Thirsty. All right, hurry up. Hurry.
He makes me sad.
I know, I'm sad, too.
Cindy, look, my new push-up bra makes my boobies look like a baby's butt. See?
Alan, you are a corker, but let me tell you, they do grow fast. We're here buying himself a jockstrap. He kind of noticed me last week. Oh, would you get out of here? Would you take a look at the line? He's seeing thousands of girls in there tonight. Here he comes.
Good afternoon.
Oh, my God! He looks so good in black. Big whoop. There's altar boys of St. Aloysius that are a lot cuter than him. I'm going in. Oh, my God, you're the biggest whore.
Yeah, right?
How's that, Charlie?
Oh, perfect. 5 minutes, Miss LeMay.